Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Robert Sherburne with Sherburne Outdoors. It is a windy day, there's a hurricane, and so I wanted to get in a big open space to talk about my new deck system. So if you've been following the channel, you know I've been using these Roam boxes, 208 liters and then a 95 liter. You can kind of see pictures of them here. And I would put them in the bed, and I had a tonneau cover, and then I had a rack up here beside my old rooftop tent. And setting it up to go to camp, tearing them down at camp, it was a huge ordeal. I wanted to get it a little bit more streamlined, so if I was out camping, things were very quick, but I also wanted to look at having everything in a system that's ready to go all the time. So I looked around, and there are a couple things out there, but I kept coming back to the deck system, and they just did a refresh of their model. So this is the new deck 2.0 mid-size version. It's different than the one before that had the two drawers. One was skinny, one was fat a little bit. Now they've got one big drawer. They redesigned so that you can get into the sides here. This drawer, just like before, will hold 400 pounds. And the top here will work like a truck if you obviously you don't have the rooftop tent on here, and it'll hold 1,000 pounds. Now, this is a pretty cool system. It's very easy to use. This is not an install video. Here's a link to Deck's install video. I will tell you, I followed that to the letter, and I didn't have one single problem. This went in very easily. Took me about 3 or 4 hours, and I did most of it by myself. Luckily, I've got a joist or a hoist system in my garage, so I just popped it right in. So it was not a big deal. You know what? You get what you pay for. So all in, because I did buy the locks and everything, I was about 1,800 bucks to get everything. So it's a little pricey. It does come with some accessories. They call them free, but 1,800 bucks, 1,800 bucks. But I am pretty pleased with this purchase. Now, full disclosure, Deck did not sponsor this. I paid my own money with it, and it was expensive. But this system's pretty great. It's got tie-down points here in the corner. We'll do a walk around here in a second. But this was a big problem with the previous version, is that you covered up the tie-down points. So they wanted to make sure that they were there. So if you didn't have a trail rail system like I have here with tie-downs in it, you know, they had tie-downs built in. It comes with 4. I added an additional 2 in the middle. But opening this up is really simple. You just pull on it, come out here, and it's got this wheel system, and it goes into place, and you've got all this space. Now, it goes back here pretty far. This is the end of it here with my arm. Deck said they did open this up another 3 inches from the previous version, but this thing is great, and it holds everything that was in those 3 Roam Adventure Company containers, and then some. So just taking a brief look around, it comes with this container system built into the front that I have a tent and some propane and some trash bags and some poop bags and other things in here. I've got, you know, a Joule cooking system and an axe and some other things, but it holds everything. So it does come with 3 containers. I only had room for 2 of them, and one of them's like a toolbox. This is where I keep all my cooking gear, but they're real sophisticated now, where you got this open system, and so anything like electronic that I need to recharge, I keep inside of here. And so I can very easily just get to it, pull it out of here, take it into the house and recharge anything. So anything electronic goes in here. This is all my cooking gear. I've got my jet boil. We got our moon shade. I got my new Devos 2000, my chairs. I got a blanket. I've got my tool bags back here, and back in there is all my recovery gear. I got a table, but everything just fits in here. I got a lot of extra room in here, and I got a lot of extra room here, and I got a lot of extra room here. And so I'm still working out how to navigate the drawer system itself. Now, I did put a locking mechanism here, and then if you see down in here, this is the cabling, the turnbuckle, how it's held. But then they do have these containers that you can take in and out, and I did buy a lock for those as well. I'm still learning if I'm going to use those or not. You know, it is what it is. I'm not really sure. You can see a good example here of the D-rings. So these are in here. These are tight too, and they actually connect into this piece of metal, which connects into the system, which connects to that. So everything's connected. So the D-rings are tight. It does come with this lovely measurement or conversions of random things, from, you know, having a ruler to how big, you know, an inch and a half is, to how big a mile is. You know, an ounce is legal in Alaska. This is starting to get scratched up a little bit, but I like it. It's pretty neat. And if you just kind of scroll around here, this is with my rooftop tent, and this is with my billy bar rack. Very easily get inside of here. I got plenty of room here but when you want to push it back in, you just simply push the drawer, push it, and it goes back in, and no issues at all. Now it does have some of these rubber gaskets inside of it, and it's got a back plate and side plates to make it, I call it weatherproof. It's not waterproof, but I did take it through a car wash and a power wash, and we didn't have any water getting in anywhere. So this wasn't meant to be a long video. I'm currently in the middle of doing a refurbishment of Sherburne Outdoor system. So it really started with our storage with the deck system. This has turned out really, really well. I'm able to have everything in there all the time. I want to be able to go camping at will, not turn into this big episode where I got to pack everything down, and then when I get to camp, I got to spend an hour unpacking everything. I want to be done in like 5 minutes. So that was hence going with this, and then also going with a rooftop tent that I can set up in under a minute. Those were kind of some of my goals that I was looking for. So again, this is relatively pricey. This was an $1,800 investment, but I think it's going to last a really long time. It fits perfectly along the edge. But again, this is the Deck 2.0 for the mid-size trucks. Hey, if you got any value out of this, please click that like button. Don't forget to hit subscribe and click that bell to be notified when we got new content out. Again, I am Robert with Sherburne Outdoors. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.